So as you can see, I have a problem with the small battery, auxiliary battery, I think it's the exact name. And I did a little bit of research, and it should be under the rear seat. It should be somewhere here. So yeah, it's a complicated task, I guess. I have to remove the seats, I guess, from here and there, but I'll see. But let's first clean up this mess. As you can see, if you have a small child, it's a little bit of mess always under the seat. So let's clean up the mess, and then I will take the right tools. And I guess first I have to remove this one, then I think it's this one here, the bolt, and it should came up this seat should be removed, I guess, and then we will see. I hope it's easy fixing. It's really there. As you can see, I already have the battery, so order it. I hope I will find it. So I grabbed, I think, the right tools. So for this one here, it should be 45. Yeah, it's 45. And for this bolt here, it should be 12. So this is 12. Yeah, it's 12. Yeah, it's 12 as well. So unfortunately, you have to have the right tools. It's always like that. Put it here. So for this one, I need this extension and this one here. I guess I have to do it with two hands. So let's tie down this, and we'll see what happens. By the way, it was easy to remove them. It was not so tight, so that's great, because sometimes it's so annoying that you're not able to untie the bolt, or it's very difficult to do it. So, and this one is removed as well. Let's put it here. I guess I don't need them at the moment. So if I'm correct, are there any other bolts? I guess not. Maybe. Yeah, I think this something it's in the back. Let's see what's happening here. Is there something else? Is there something needed to be removed? Let's see if I put it like that. I will check further and let you know. I guess I need to remove this one as well. So this is a cap, a little bit tricky to not break. And I remove it once, so as you can see. So I remove this one and that one as well, and it should remove this one here. We will see. We have maybe more visibility to see what's going on under. Of course, this is not the socket that we used. It's not 45, but it's T40. Yeah, this one is T40. So the other one is T45. This one is T40. I will remove this one and that one, and I guess we have more visibility. So, let's see. Okay. Maybe here. Okay. What's trapped? Okay. What is this? I don't know. Some cables for something. And oh my gosh. So here is a, I don't know if it's visible. I'll try to show. Here is a bolt as well. And yeah, here as well. So this, it should remove the whole seat. Let's see. So the bolt is removed. I disconnected this connection. I think this is maybe for the airbag of the seat. This one I don't think I need to disconnect. This is for the belt, and I disconnected this one. I guess this is for the other belt, but this belt is part of the, let's see, of the seat. So this I didn't remove, but yeah, this is the connection which I removed. And if I'm correct, this, it should remove the whole seat. Of course, I will not able to remove it, I guess. Maybe it will be better if I disconnect this belt, only the belt, and then I think I will be able to remove the whole seat. Let's see how I remove it. Yes, so as you can see, the yellow connector, and then the blue one, and this one it's not needed because this, it will stay here. This is not part of the seat. So yeah, as you can see, this is the whole seat. I can easily remove now, and we'll see if we really the batteries here. So as you can see, it's really, by the way, it's a little bit heavy, so be careful with the seat. I will take the vacuum to clean up a little bit, and let's, yeah, it's here. So let me clean a little bit, and then we'll replace the battery. So just to recap, you have to remove the, unfortunately, you have to remove the seat as well. So if you like to change the main battery, you have to remove the front right seat. If you change the additional small battery, you have to remove the back seat. Let's see if it's the same. Sometimes yes, it's the same. Yeah. Okay. Let's have it there. I just remove a little bit of this one here. I guess I will not need to remove anything else. I hope so. So, remove the black one. Remove this one. And I guess, yeah, okay, it's easy to remove it, but Let's see the new one. Okay, plus, minus, and that's it. Oh my goodness, just for anyway. Oops. It's not broken. Yeah. Let's put this one inside. Old one. And okay, and now put everything how it was. This should be there. Yeah, here I have to use my both hands, so yeah, this is a little bit, I have to a little bit move this up and then put this under. So I would, okay, I guess I would do it like, oops, yeah, ready. So it's okay. And yeah, basically I have to again put the seat, connect the seat, and then put this cover again. So let's first take the seat inside and we'll do it together. Something which I notice, I have those, so this is connected. I think this is, I'm pretty sure this is for the airbag, but this one is not connected, and there I have another one which is not connected to the seat, as you can see here. And I guess those seats have something like heating or whatever, but no, the heating is on the bottom. Maybe they're the cooling, or I don't know, to be honest. I don't know why they have extra connections, and what it's, if someone knows, I'll be more than happy. Just let me know what you think, why are those, and maybe I don't have the, it's not included in the package or whatever, that's why they're not connected. It's something like a feature which is not active or something like that. Anyway, let's, yeah, to be honest, it's really, it will be better if you have someone or two more hands to help you with the seat. It's a little bit heavy, and just to be careful not to damage something on the car. So it will be much easier if you have a little bit of help from someone. But yeah, I managed to do it, so I will put it back and put the bolts, and we'll see. I guess, I hope I will not have any new errors, so let's see. So those two bolts are ready, and I think it's time for this. Yeah, but I have to be a little bit careful here because there's some cables. So first I will manage the cables here. As you can see, this one as well. I guess this one it's okay. I have to check the other one there and in the middle, and I think then I can put the rest of the bolts, this one and this one as well, and then we will test. Okay, tie them up with 2 hands, and I guess I'm almost ready. And yeah, so let's see if we have still the error. What kind of error we got? Rear left. Rear left malfunction. Consult workshop. I think I have to connect the computer and delete the error messages, I guess. We'll see. Maybe it was better if I first remove the minus, then do the disconnections to the airbag and the rest. I will see if I just remove the minus, will fix the problem. If not, I have to connect the computer in to see what's going on, and when I got the error message. But I guess the problem was, first it's better if you remove the minus and then start working, I guess. But let's see. So the minus is connected again. Let's see if I still got the error. Yeah. So yeah, I have to connect the computer, I guess. Yeah, workshop. Okay, let's see now. To be honest, I didn't clear any codes related to the airbags, but I guess it needed some time to do the adaptation on its own or something like that. But yes, don't forget to remove first the minus from the main battery before playing with the airbags and stuff like that. So let's see if we have the error message. No. And also we don't have the error about the small battery as well. So if I check, let's check if there are any no messages. So I think that's it basically. But yeah, I spent like 40 minutes and maybe if I removed first the minus from the main battery, I will not have this problem. But anyway, so I'm happy that the problem is gone. So as I said, yeah, be careful if you do it on your own, because you have to clean up your mess at the end. So on your own or with some help, which the help maybe it will be expensive one. So